Fitting a straight run on fascia. Here is the sample roof we're going to use for the purposes of the demo. This roof has an overhang of 60mm. Ideally we want about 50mm or thereabouts, so we're going to use a packing piece to bring it out so the rain doesn't overshoot. With our first bracket fitted, we've used a packing piece to accommodate the 60mm overhang. Ideally this needs to be out past the roof to allow the rain to flow down. The packing piece also helps in a situation like this, where the fascia is too short. When we come to fit our bottom bracket here, with the last screw, the self-tapper, it goes in here and into the back of the bracket. We've left a 5mm gap between the bracket and the slate to allow the Magiflo to fit into place. We've placed the last bracket second, which just happens to finish flush with the fascia. We can now mark for the rest of the brackets. Use a chalk line to create a mark for the rest of the brackets. With all the brackets in place, measure the length of Magiflo required. To put on the first piece, put the joint section in under the slate, pushing over the gutter and tapping it firmly into place under the slate. It should simply click in. Tap the gutter at each bracket to ensure it is fitted. Check behind to make sure it is clipped in. Slide into position if needed. It's that simple. To fit the final bracket in place, locate the slot at the front. Bring the back of the bracket into place with the bottom of the top bracket aligning the screw holes. The 20mm self-tapper screw can go in here to secure it all together. And that's the bracket finished. Even with the short fascia in this case, the screw holds the packing piece and bracket firmly in place. To join two lengths of Magiflo together, use the joining compound and fill the chamfered side of the joining piece and push into place, applying pressure from both sides. Look into the joint and make sure both pieces are tight in the middle of the joining piece. Cut the down pipe to fit the height of the outlet piece and simply slot it into place, ensuring it is lined up correctly. Fit the end piece with a simple push and again check the joints meet tightly. Some jointing compound may be pushed out. This shows the pieces are fitting well. Fit all the bottom brackets and your Magiflo is done.